Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is German-Ukrainian venture hands first Linza 3.0 drone to Zelensky ahead of Munich Security Conference. The German-Ukrainian joint venture Quantum Frontline Industries, QFI, established by Quantum Systems and Frontline Robotics, hosted Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius at its new production facility in Munich ahead of the Munich Security Conference, where Zelensky received the first Ukrainian drone manufactured in Germany. Pistorius acted as patron of the handover of the first Linza 3.0 multipurpose drone for the Ukrainian Armed Forces, marking the official start of production at the facility announced in December 2025. Addressing employees and media representatives, President Zelensky said, "I want to thank the people of Germany for the support of your nation since the start of the war. Your solidarity means a great deal to us. I also want to congratulate both companies and say how proud I am of the important work they are doing." Pistorius highlighted Germany's partnership with Ukraine and stated, "I would like to express my gratitude for this project, which, as someone put it, was implemented at light speed. We learn from successes achieved on the battlefield and benefit from spillover effects in innovations that are exploited." Matthias Lehner, managing director of QFI, said, "Quantum Frontline Industries has started production in just 2 months after the announcement. QFI is the first of its kind but will not be the last. We are proud to be a flagship company for Ukrainian-German industrial cooperation and proud to support the armed forces of Ukraine with the best technology of both countries." Mikita Rojkov, Chief BD Officer of Frontline Robotics, added, "This first QFI Quantum Frontline Industries produced Linza 3.0 represents months of dedication from Ukrainian engineers and our international partners. It was created from frontline experience and is already helping Ukrainian forces operate more effectively. We are proud of the rapid progress of our joint venture and the way it strengthens long-term cooperation between our countries. The QFI Quantum Frontline Industries facility has begun early-stage production and is designed to enable the manufacture of 10,000 drones for the Ukrainian armed forces within a year, with plans to automate capacity further and expand to provide Ukrainian technology to Europe." Linza 3.0, recently presented by Frontline Robotics and already deployed in more than 60 units by the Ukrainian Defense Forces, is equipped with an AI-enabled visual inertial navigation module, features a 12-inch frame, can carry up to 4 kilograms of payload over a distance of up to 15 kilometers and remain airborne for up to 60 minutes, and the visit was facilitated and supported by the Ukrainian Council of Defense Industry, representing Ukrainian private defense manufacturers. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.